Hi, I'm Wally Luckydo. I am a personal finance teacher in the suburbs of Nashville, Tennessee. I'm going to give you a presentation about artificial intelligence tools and how I integrate them in my own classroom. There are a lot of different ways to use artificial tools practically. Most people are familiar with ChatGPT, which is one of the tools that we'll be going over, and most people are familiar with prompting. There are so many different artificial intelligence tools, and there are a lot of different ways to use them. It's a matter of knowing about the tools, seeing what they can do, and then actually utilizing them in your own classroom. So, the first thing that we're going to do today is we're going to go to Banzai's Interactive Library. If you don't know about their interactive library, it is a great resource for teachers to learn about things that they're already talking about in class. So for the example that I'm going to use, we're going to find something about car loans for students. There's a lot of information here. I've already skipped it. We'll go to borrowing, actually. If you see up here, they have different things that you can click on. We'll go to borrowing and credit. And this will give you different interactive lessons you can use with your students. So this one is a 5-minute read. It's called What a Car Loan Costs. Gearing up to get a car loan is the key to getting wheels. So they offer all these things like an auto loan calculator and different terms that students are going to need to know. But before I do this, one thing that I want to do is I want to give my students a hook. What could we do? And we could probably ask a student, what does this mean to you? They probably have never bought a car before, so they're not going to even think about this thing. So today we're going to use Google Flow to create a small film for a hook. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click New Project. And then there's a text to video, and it will generate a video for you. So I'm going to put, I am a student going to buy a brand new Corvette. I don't understand the terms of a car loan at a car dealership. Show me signing the papers anyway. All right, so I'm a student going to buy a brand new Corvette. Oh, grammar, at least that's AI, just so you guys know. I am a student planning to buy a brand new Corvette. I don't understand the terms of a car loan at a car dealership. Show me signing the papers anyway. So we're going to make a video. It'll take a few seconds for it to create. And this is something that I could have. Maybe I have a bell ringer or a get ready, as some people call it, about, hey, what do you do when you go to a car dealership and you want to buy a new car? What kind of things should I look at? You could use this later on and have a student create a video, but I wouldn't recommend that if it's against your school district's AI policy, which is very important because you need to know what your school's acceptable use policy is for your students. So the video is going to take a little longer to create than most of the AI tools because it's doing a lot of different things right now to generate a video for us. So there's me at the car dealership, and let's look to see how this goes, okay? Let's make this a little bit bigger. All right, so now after she signs the paper, you could also ask students, why would she sign something she doesn't understand? Or you'd say, what kind of impact does this have on you in your personal life? There are just so many different things that you could use this video for. Let's see if this other one, let's get my face out of the way. Let's see if this other video has anything for us. All right, that's all it has. So it just depends on how specific you are when you go to prompt things. But I just wanted to share one of the different AI tools that we'll be going over um, in the presentation.